How do you sell anything, or how do you sell your own product to your customer? Well, selling is really important skill, because if you know how to sell anything, you can actually earn millions of dollars. How? Well, if you know how to sell a product of $10, you can sell that $10 product for $1,000 or $100, and after that you can sell that same product for millions of dollars. So what I mean to say is, the selling skill is really important, because all of the entrepreneurs, all of the businesses inside this world are masters in selling, and that's why they hook up their product into your neck and you actually buy it. So I'm going to talk about 3 steps of selling, and if you understand these 3 steps of selling, you're actually going to be rocking inside selling, and you can actually sell anything for any price. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Hey guys, this is Aryan. For those of the people who don't know me, I post content related to entrepreneurship, marketing, grooming, fitness, health and lifestyle. So if you want to develop yourself, make sure you hit that subscribe button with the bell notification on, of course, to join me. And also, if you are not followed me yet on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, make sure you follow me over there. I have given the link in the description box below. For now, let's get started. The first step is problem to pleasure. All right, so selling is all about taking your customer from a problem to his goal of pleasure, to get a pleasure. And that's why it is important that your product should provide a pleasure. Okay, you never actually force anyone to buy your product. Your product should give some or the other pleasure to your customer, and that's the only reason people buy the products. Why? Because they get the pleasure. So here is a problem. Your customer is having a problem, and here is the pleasure. So basically this is the goal that your customer wants to get. All right, and between these 2 points of problem and the pleasure, your product is going to help to your customer to take him from the point of pain or problem and keep him or help him to reach on the point of pleasure. So whenever you sell something, make sure you explain what are the pleasures your customer is going to get when you are actually telling them to buy your product, or when they are actually purchasing your product. See, it is all about pleasure. Let's take example of Apple. iPhone is basically not a phone, but it is a pleasure. Whenever you buy an iPhone, what do you get? You don't get the phone, you get the pleasure of buying iPhone, an expensive phone, the pleasure of luxury, the pleasure of shiny syndrome. All right, although there are many great phones in the market, but still you buy iPhone because you actually purchase the pleasure of an expensive product. And that's why it is really important to help the customer to get that pleasure, not your product. You are never going to sell your product. You are actually selling the pleasure that your customer is going to get from that product. With that said, the second step is features of your product. Now, as I said, your product is really important in between the problem, the pain and the pleasure, the fulfillment. Now, how your product is going to help your customer to get that pleasure? Well, the features. Like I told you, iPhone has some amazing features. All right, maybe it's RAM, maybe it's storage, maybe it's color, maybe it's brand value, but that things are the features. Now, whenever you are selling something, you need to explain the features. You need to educate the customer how that features are going to help him or her to gain that pleasure. For example, if I am trying to sell a laptop, I will not sell the laptop, but I'll sell the features, I'll sell the pleasures. Okay, now you understood that a problem to the pleasure and your product and its features to the pleasure. All right, these 2 steps are really important to understand. Now let's try to understand the third and the most important step to actually sell anything. The third step is discount offer. Now keep in mind, whenever you sell something, you need to give something or the other free with your product, or you need to give a discount. Now Apple used this technique so much, all right, and Apple is the best example for selling, great things and for making a great revenue. So whenever Apple wanted to sell something, they actually told the price very high, all right, they told the price as it was too expensive, and afterwards they told that there is a discount. So here is the thing, whenever you are actually selling something, tell the price more high than your original price. So for example, you are actually giving or you are actually selling a phone to someone and the original cost is maybe $80, all right, maybe $80. Let's take example, maybe $80. Now you need to tell the price that it is for $130, all right, so nearly $50 more. Why you need to do this? Because you're using something called reverse psychology. Now in here, what the customer is going to think is that the product is too expensive, and maybe that product is having good features, it is going to help me to actually gain the pleasure, but still it is expensive. And try to use the reverse psychology in here. Now you're going to say, what is your budget to buy that phone, all right, please tell me the budget. So he'll tell near $90 or near $70. So he actually tells you his budget and you're actually going to tell him the real price now, all right, and you're going to say that, all right, so for you, only for you, you're actually going to get the phone into $80, which is the original price of that phone, and you're actually going to get something for free. So maybe you can say servicing for free, or maybe you can say camera replacement, screen replacement for free. So these are really important things: offer, discount, pleasure and features, and how your product is actually going to help your customer to gain the goal or to achieve the goal he wants. So I hope you understood how do we actually sell and how do you actually use the skill of selling on your customer. Now if you want to know how selling is more important and how do we actually sell more effective, I'm going to make the part 2 of this video. So if you're new to the channel and you want to develop these skills into you, make sure you hit the subscribe button with the bell notification on, of course, and I hope you enjoyed this video. So make sure you hit that like button. Also, if you are not followed me yet on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, make sure you follow me over there for content like entrepreneurship, marketing, grooming, fitness, health and lifestyle. For now, this is Aryan signing off. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.